Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how I prep my lunches for the work week ahead. This week I work Monday to Friday, and at the end of the video I'll be showing you how to make simple chicken curry. So let's put them all together. I made cashew nut rice with roasted cashews with basmati rice. You could also call this bagara rice. Chicken curry, I used tomato gravy as a base and tangy tomato chutney. I like my lunches to be light, not too heavy, with a little bit of rice. Protein, here I have chicken and tomato chutney that makes the meal a little spicy. Not really spicy, I would say tangy. It keeps me awake while I'm at work. My lunches for work are pretty much the same. For dinner I have something different. Thing is, I can't be cooking 5 different things on a Sunday. I've got other things to do and I just don't have the time. How do you prep lunch for the week? Do you make something different for each day? If you're watching this video this far, I would really appreciate it if you could give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.